What's up guys, I'm Nico of CamCrunch, and in today's video I'm going to talk about your DSLR's autofocus modes. There are 3 autofocus modes that you need to be aware of, and they might be called different things depending on what brand your camera is, but they all basically do the same thing. The first one is your single shot autofocus mode, and this is very good for subjects that aren't moving. So if you're taking still portraits, architecture, basically anything where your subject isn't moving, this is the autofocus that you should use. And this is really the autofocus mode that I use probably 99% of the time because that is what I usually shoot. The single shot autofocus mode basically locks on to your subject based on the autofocus point that you have chosen, and after it has locked on, it won't change the focus. Even if your subject moves in and out of the frame or moves forward or backward, it doesn't change your focus. Unless, of course, you let go of your shutter button and then you refocus on your subject. The second autofocus mode is your continuous autofocus mode. And unlike the single shot autofocus mode, this actually follows your subject. So if you half click on your shutter onto a subject based on, of course, the autofocus point that you've chosen, if that subject moves forward or backward, left or right, your focus will actually follow it. Your camera will actually follow it. So this is very good for subjects that are moving, constantly moving in and out of the original point of focus. So this is good for sports, for children that are moving quickly, maybe wildlife, basically anything where your subject is moving outside of your initial focus point. The third one is called the hybrid autofocus, and this is basically a mixture between single shot and continuous. And if you leave your camera here, your camera will actually determine what kind of autofocus it will need depending on whether your subject is moving or not moving. So that's it guys, those are the 3 autofocus modes that you need to be aware of that your DSLR can do, and I hope it helped. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.